Remove the trim panel below the steering wheel for better visibility into the area where the device is to be installed. Use a flashlight to locate the security gateway module. Next, look to see if your Jeep has an audio amplifier in the position shown. The installation process is a little different depending on whether or not this amplifier is present. We'll start by demonstrating the installation on a model with this amplifier, then we'll show you the installation on a model without the amplifier. Locate the 8-wire connector and unplug it from the security gateway module. This can be a little tricky, especially if you have large hands. The best approach we found was to use one hand to hold down the latch on the connector, and then use the other hand to gently pull the harness down. The key word here is gently. If the latch is fully released, then the connector will disconnect easily. If the connector seems stuck, don't pull hard on the harness. Instead, push the connector back up to fully seat it into place, then try again. Next, we'll plug the Autostop Eliminator into the security gateway module, then connect the vehicle harness to the Autostop Eliminator. It helps if you put a slight bend in the wire just before the plug so that the connector is at the right angle. Once connected, secure the device module and harness using zip ties so that it doesn't rattle or rub any sharp edges. We used a tie to secure the module on the device, then used 2 additional ties to hold the harness. Trim the excess from the zip ties. Now we'll demonstrate the installation on a vehicle without the audio amplifier. As you can see, the security gateway module is in the same place, but it's much more open on the backside. We begin by loosely fastening a zip tie to the adjacent wiring harness as shown. Be sure to thread the zip tie above where the harness is secured to the aluminum framing. This will hold the zip tie in place prior to tightening. Unplug the 8-wire connector from the security gateway module. Insert the connector into the Autostop Eliminator, then thread the device through the zip tie and plug it into the security gateway module. Adjust the device into position, then tighten the zip tie. Use a small pair of snips to remove the excess from the zip tie. Reinstall the trim panel by aligning the bottom and gently pressing it into place. Now your last setting for auto start stop will be remembered and automatically restored. It's that easy to keep auto start stop disabled on your Jeep Gladiator. We use quality components and a straightforward approach with no negative side effects. Also, our device doesn't make any changes to the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about issues with your vehicle warranty or lease agreements.